Welcome back to MHK All Day. On the segment that aspires, inspires, and speaks with fire, this is Bernie Say What? And today I'm gonna be teaching y'all how to make a spooky wreath. So for this project, you'll need a clown mask or any mask of your choice, but this one was creepy, so you know, we're going with the whole spooky thing. And you can get that from any local store, even like a Halloween store. And then you'll need some eyeballs, okay? I got these little ping pong balls because I kind of like how they just fit in this mask perfectly, as y'all will see. And then I have ring wreaths, so I have various sizes to go with mine, but you can use like a regular ring wreath or like a styrofoam one. And then I have glitter spiders because I like the little sparkly element that they give, so we'll do that. And then spider web, blood, a hot glue gun, and then some bowls for the messy blood. So to get started, you'll want to take the ring, not the smallest one, the medium one. No, wait, it's the small one, just kidding. And you'll stick it in here to make it fit on the mask properly, just like so. And then we'll take the eyeballs and we'll stick them through the eye holes, just like that, see? And not like that, there we go. It'll fit once you have the glue gun also, because then it'll help with the sticking of the eyeballs inside. And then we'll stick the other one, and I'm gonna make mine kind of like up so that it'll look a little more spooky. So it'll look like this. And then we're gonna take the spiders and we gonna kind of stick it in his ear because it got a little ear hole right here. Ooh, I broke the spider, y'all, Lord. There we go. And then we're gonna stick it in there. And then we're gonna stick one in his hair. Now, so we're gonna take the spider web and we're gonna stretch it out a little bit because it's kind of hard to cut. So we're gonna stretch it out a little bit and we're gonna take our bigger ring and we're gonna kind of stretch it around that. So make it a little spooky. And if you have a dark ring, it'll look a little bit more blended in, but you wanna stretch it out kind of nice and get it all nice and full, okay? And then we're gonna take our mask, which my eyeball keep falling out, which might add to the spooky if you ask me. But we're gonna stick that in there and then we're gonna set the mask on top of it. And once we do all of that with the hot glue, it'll be a little bit more realistic. And we'll take our blood and we'll add our blood into our bowl here. Ideally, I would have this open, but today, for the purpose of this little segment right now, I'm not. But we'll put the blood on the mask, you know, like a little drizzle, or you can do a little drop, whatever you want to do. Even in the eyeballs, if you put it in the eyeballs, he like keep bleeding blood. That's scary to me. So once you do all of that, you'll have a completed little project, and you can also add some of your extra spiders into the wreath to make it kind of scarier. And then you'll have a beautiful wreath that'll have all the kids just crying and running away. But have a little bowl of candy on the side so they still kind of come to the door. But we're gonna take a quick break, but when we come back, we'll see how K-State quarterback is doing in his recent return from his injury, and we'll get our game controllers out for an e-tournament, ball in players from around the campus, and crowned a champion last weekend. That and all coming up next.